What is this with color changing? It is a light bulb? Is it a clock? Let's see what on earth it is. Install the stand. Insert the stand directly into the mounting hole until it is securely attached. Now, let's configure the light alarm into Smart Life app. Set the light brightness freely. Even with 7 colors optional for fun. With unique sound available for your taste. Use it as an alarm clock with 4 alarms functional. Timer your schedule with Snooze Function for added convenience. A really durable and interesting gift for your family.